Meanwhile, Jamaica's swim team is currently finishing up participation on today's third and penultimate day of the CARIFTA Swimming Championships in Barbados. Now, yesterday, Jamaica amassed 18 medals, including 6 gold, 9 silver and 3 bronze, to take their tally to 34 medals at the end of Day 2. Within the Day 2 performance, Jamaica also had 2 championship records. Zanita Alvaranga took gold in the girls' 13 to 14 50-meter butterfly event, establishing a new mark of 27.84 seconds, with teammate Sabrina Lynn getting silver in a time of 29.13 seconds. The other championship record came in the 4x100-meter medley relays for girls 11 to 12, as the quartet of Leanna Wainwright, Kokolo Foster, Gianni Francis and Christania Shirley took gold in 4 minutes 49.77. Jamaica also won gold in the girls 15 to 17 and 13 to 14 age group categories. Wainwright also took the top spot in the 100-meter backstroke in 1 minute 11.65 seconds, while Francis was fourth in 1 minute 13.41 seconds. The boys 11 to 12 400-meter individual medley was won by Brady McPherson Lewison in 5 minutes 30.63 seconds. Jamaica's 34 medals at the end of Day 2 comprised 11 gold, 16 silver and 7 bronze.